There's just something that's so amazing and wonderful when you see something that you planted grow into something that's going to be beneficial and helpful to so many families.
It's simply amazing to watch and to see and witness what planting seeds can do to not only transform a piece of property or land, but to transform lives. And we're excited to transform and revitalize this amazing urban property into a food oasis and food forest.
Hello, we're Milton
and Sanal Craft, the founders of Craft Organization. When we first saw this property a couple of months ago, we were ecstatic and excited to see what we could do to transform this property and to bring it back to life. The weeds were overgrown. Fire ants had taken over some of the beds and created a whole new home, a city, a home within a home. And there were a few other challenges, but nothing that hard work and open hearts and people working together couldn't accomplish.
So we approached a local nonprofit, Advanced Memphis, which has a mission to serve adults by empowering residents to acquire knowledge, resources, and skills to be economically self-sufficient. And we soon learned that we would be able to help each other in getting the food oasis back to helping individuals and families become self-sufficient. We have made a lot of progress since we first laid eyes on this property. We've had some amazing volunteers and workers from Advanced Memphis and the community to come alongside us and partner with us by giving their time, positive energy, and financial support in helping this oasis to thrive.
However, we have a long way to go and so much more work to do. This is why we need you. We need your help to make this project succeed. Your donations will help us to purchase lots of good things for the garden, from farm tools and equipment and seeds and fruit trees, to wood to build beds, a hoop house, and so much more for our 2023 garden, but also to finish planting our winter crops for 2022.
You can share a donation directly with us at Craft Organization to continue our work to provide job training and sustainable living skills through gardening via Craft Organization PayPal or CASHAPP, which are both linked below. Thank you so much for your contribution and your support.